Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be kind of an overview video of a Power Wizard PW18000 that we fixed for a customer. So if you got one of these things you want to send us in, have to look at. We do work on all brands and ages and get free quotes on stuff, so it doesn't no harm to send it in to us. Let us work on it, take a look at it for you. It's a free quote. So this is an 18 joule output that Power Wizard puts out. This is second to the biggest that they sell. Stored joule wise, probably like 25 stored joules, I would guess, somewhere in that range. Pretty basic unit. Just has a single light on the front that clicks and flashes on the side there. It has a half power and a full power switch down here. We'll turn it off real quick and we'll pull the knobs off here and you test it for you so you can see it working. And whatever repairs we do to a unit, we do put an 18-month warranty on the repairs. We're getting about 7,000 volts out of it. We'll go to half power, see what that does. Half power puts out about 5,000 volts roughly. So it's a hot little unit. I mean, it's 18 output joules, so it's got a pretty good bite to it. So it packs a pretty good punch. So if you'd like to send one in to us for us to look at, be happy to look at. We work on all brands, so if you got another Power Wizard unit you'd like to send here, we'd be happy to take a look at it for you. They make I don't know, 3 or 4, well, probably 6 units smaller than this. They make one unit larger than this called the 24,000. It's kind of its own little monster in itself. But that's basically it for this little video. It's just a little show and tell video of one that we worked on for a customer. So if you have a PW18000 and you want repaired, you found a place that will work on it for you. So happy to look at it. These parts aren't super expensive for these units, so they're usually about 99% of the time people fix them. So send it on in and we'll fix it for you. Alright, until next time, we'll see you later on.